The mobile tariff plan is something that everybody is looking forward to. The operators want to hike it, but the experts say if they increase the price, it becomes difficult for them to sustain, because everybody is now used to paying less price for more data, and if one operator tries to increase it, the others will not do it, because of which the operator who is planning to increase may lose out the customers. This is what the story right now is in stock markets, wherein Idea as well as Vodafone wants to increase it, but the competitors do not want to increase it. So they are under a lot of pressure to make profits out of the business. The day's news, Sensex went down. It was more down initially, but later on, before the market closed, it came up a bit, but still it was in red. It closed at around 86.95 points negative, Sensex. Nifty closed at around 7.6 points negative. This has been the thing in the market. However, government considers blocking of IP addresses of cryptocurrency exchanges across the world. So this is something that they want to do, because a lot of Indians have been trying to buy cryptocurrencies, which is not exactly made legal in India. So government is now planning to do this. So whoever is aiming or whoever has cryptocurrencies been bought, it's time for you to think about selling it probably, because this is what the government is planning to do. So at the same time, government expects to make 80,000 crores by selling their stake in Bharat Petroleum Company Limited. If this happens, this is what the money that they want to collect out of this particular divestment. Then if you are planning to buy life insurance, that is term life insurance, please buy it before 31st of March, because from 1st of April, 20% would be the hike in the premium price. And if you are buying it this year, probably next year also you end up paying the same premium. So it's not only 20% saving that you are doing this year, but also next year probably you will have to continue paying less only. This is one major advantage that is there. Apart from this, oil continues to fall, but the main concern is right now the dollar, because of the bond yield returns has been good in the US market. Dollar tends to go up. So we as an individual, that is end user, may or may not get benefit. We just have to wait what steps government would be taking in this particular regard. There is no change in prices of petrol as well as diesel today, thanks to the election that is happening. So I don't know whether they will be allowed to change the prices, because elections is close by and they can't do it just before a few days of the election. And this is what the case is right now. Apart from this, Amazon gets court notice because they have been challenging this future as well as the Reliance deal. And now we have to wait and see what is the next action that would happen, because every now and then each one is trying to blame the other one, and they have been getting a lot of notices on each other. And this is the latest news today. Last week Amazon had approached Supreme Court, and this week Amazon gets a notice from one of the courts. So this is ongoing process is what I see. The day's gainer was Adani, which went up by almost 5.19%, and the same closed around 721 rupee 90 paise. Apart from this, IndusInd Bank is been the day's loser. It went down by 4.32%, and the same is right now trading around 968 rupees 15 paise. Gold also has gone down, including silver. Gold is right now trading around 44,760 rupees, and the same is down by 261 rupees for every 10 grams. Silver right now trading around 66,176, and the same is down by 1,351 rupees. This has been the thing. The technical charts are right now not showing any indication or any direction as such. So we just have to wait and watch how the foreign markets would behave during the day, based upon which we will get at least to know what will happen in the markets tomorrow. With this, we come to the end of today's market wrap-up. Do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so that more people get knowledge and more earnings can happen. Thank you. Have a great day.